Once upon a time, 3 dads and their kids went on an outing. Our dads took us on a trip, but they told us to wait a bit whilst they popped into work. Shh, put that down, Mummy. Typical dads. My daddy's a chemist. When a meteorite comes crashing towards our planet, my daddy will shoot it down with his laser. Boom! Daddy says that the whole universe is like a Lego assembly kit made out of tiny little pieces called molecules. My dad is crazy about molecules and he loves to make them. He boils up old molecules and cooks up new ones. They look like powder. But Dad explained to me, if it's black, it's silly. But when it has a colour, it could be a new molecule. But molecules are really, really small. So Daddy puts the powder in a machine which analyses them and draws for Daddy these sort of mountains. Dad looks at these mountains and he's happy. Then he runs home to show us all his new molecule, as if it was a new baby, brother or sister. He then looks after his new baby and investigates what it can do. If it goes well, it could light up a mobile telephone screen or make a laser beam. But Dad usually puts his new molecules up on the internet so that other chemists can see them. And then he goes to cook up some more. Once, Daddy made something red. In all his life, he hasn't seen a more beautiful molecule. He called it Phoenix. It would definitely make a super laser. Only Daddy can't seem to make it again.
My dad can catch farts. When cows fart, they give off gas. There are loads of cows on the earth, so all their combined farts are threatening the entire planet, and it's only getting worse. So someone has to catch the farts. My dad has invented molecules that can catch gases. These molecules join to make a kind of house that Dad calls a moth. And he teaches the gases to go into them. But gases are spoiled little brats and do not like many houses. So Dad has to make the sort of house that they will feel at home in. But then Dad has another problem. How to get the gases out of their new house. Once Dad has worked it all out, he'll put it up on the internet. Somebody will read it and make shorts for cows that can catch their farts. Then they can put these farty shorts into cars. And people will drive around and save the entire planet. However, those ghastly gases aren't listening to my dad. They don't listen and they don't listen.
My dad can kill cancer, and he does it like this. Cancer is a stupid disease. People have an awful lot of cells, and if one goes crazy, it can become cancerous. It grows. It kills healthy cells. It can also kill human. Cancer is difficult to treat. You can cut it out. You can poison it. But that also poisons the patient. But my dad has a better idea. He has invented a special cancer-killing molecule, a cluster. But cancer is a tricky monster. It can defend itself, and it knows when someone's trying to get it. So my dad has to disguise his cluster in a way that the cancer will like. And then the cancer will eat it like a juicy raspberry. Dad then turns on a special light, and the gift turns into a cannon shooting the cancer. These cannonballs are these sort of tiny molecules. Dad calls them oxygen. When Dad turns off the light, the cannon stops firing, and it looks like a gift again. And the cancer is gone! The patient isn't cut up or poisoned. He's healthy. The stupid thing is, however, is that the cancer comes in lots of different types, and each type prefers a differently wrapped gift. So my dad has to invent newer and newer packaging for his cluster.
And do you know what makes our dads the happiest? Publications!